अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम इंटर वॉर इकॉनमी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार 1914 to 1918 was mainly fought in Europe, but it had impact on the whole world. This war had impact on the whole world. During this time, the world experienced economic, political instability and another miserable war. During this period, during 1914 to 1918, and after that, the world experienced political instability and economic instability, and another was miserable war. War transformations. War transformations. The First World War was fought between two power blocks. On one side, there were the Allies, Britain, France, Russia, and later joined by US. They formed an alliance. ठीक है, they were called allies, and on the opposite side there were the central powers. Uh, there were the central powers, and the alliance was formed by Germany, Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Turkey. Ottoman Turkey. Getting my point? They were the central powers. World's leading industrial nations, they also joined the war. उन्होंने भी जो इंडस्ट्रियल नेशनल्स थे, वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल नेशनल्स, दे joined the war and they tried to do the greatest possible destruction on their enemies. Their motive was to do the greatest possible destruction. The First World War was the first modern industrial war. So we can say ये पहला modern industrial war था. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे इस वार में कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुई। देखिए, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इस वार में यूज़ हुआ जो ये फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार था, अत मज़ आए यूज़ करना मशीन गन्स, टैंक्स, एयरक्राफ्ट्स, केमिकल वेपन्स आए इस्तेमाल करना ऑन ए वेरी लार्ज स्केल, मैसिव स्केल पे यूज़ हुए। To fight the war, millions of soldiers has been recruited from around the world and more of them were of working age. देखिए, ये जंग लड़ने के लिए अराउंड द वर्ल्ड सोल्जर्स वर रिक्रूटेड अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, ठीक है। और ये जो जिनको रिक्रूट किया गया, दे वर ऑफ द वर्किंग एज. सो वी कैन से during the war time, it was a devastating war, it was a deadly war, we can say, because for the first time the modern weapons were used. लगभग 9 मिलियन के करीब लोग मर गए और 20 मिलियन लोग they were injured. 9 million died and 20 million injured, and these deaths and injuries, they affected the workforce in Europe. They adversely affected the workforce in Europe. और उसके बाद यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे social and economical transformations. Household incomes जो थी, हाउस इनकम्स ये भी डिक्लाइन हो गई ड्यू टू द, घरों की जो आमदनी थी वो डिक्लाइन हो गई ड्यू टू द डेथ और इंजरी ऑफ द अर्निंग मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली, एंड वुमेन हैड टू टेक द जॉब. अब इनके मर्दों के बदले, मैन के बदले वुमेन हैड टू टेक द जॉब. सो वी कैन से इसमें बहुत सारी चेंजेस आ गई, सोशल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, इकोनॉमिक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. इस बार में क्या हुआ, ब्रिटेन borrowed large sums of money from US as well as the US public. इससे क्या हो गया, ब्रिटेन ने बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा US बैंक से as well as from the US public से borrow किया. This made the US an international creditor from an international debtor. ठीक है, ब्रिटेन आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द वार, इनको बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स, बहुत सारी क्राइसिस, इकोनॉमिक, दे ब्रिटेन हैड टू फेस इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार. आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार, Britain now found themselves in a difficult, we can say Britain found it difficult to recapture its earlier position of dominance in the Indian market. मार्केट, क्योंकि उनकी जो कंडीशन थी वो अब थोड़ी सी खराब हो चुकी थी इकोनॉमिक, बिकॉज ब्रिटेन हैड टू फेस इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस. Now they found it difficult to recapture its earlier position of dominance in the Indian market and to compare with the Japan internationally. Although the war had an economic led to an economic boom, when the war ended, contracted. The production contracted and unemployment increased. प्रोडक्शन जो थी वो कंट्रैक्ट हो गई, जो प्रोडक्शन थी वो कंट्रैक्ट हो गई और इन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट में इजाफा हो गया. उससे क्या हुआ? दिस लेड टू 1 in every 5 British workers being out of work in 1921. This led to them जब after the end of the war, when the production contracted and the unemployment increased, इससे क्या हुआ? This led to 1 in every 5 British workers, they were being out of work in 1921. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे effect of crisis on agriculture. Many people linked with agricultural economies were also in crisis. For example, wheat producers in Eastern Europe, when their wheat exports were disrupted during the war. Wheat production in Canada, America, and Australia expanded. After the war, production in Eastern Europe revived and created a glut. What do you mean by glut? क्या होता है? Supply of something in excess. Glut means supply of something in excess. After the war, production in Eastern Europe revived and created a glut in wheat output. Grain prices fell, rural incomes declined, and the farmers fell deeper into debt. और जो farmers थे वो कर्जे में चले गए. दैट वाज अबाउट द इंटरवार इकोनॉमी, जिसमें आपने वार ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, टेक्नोलॉजिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड इफेक्ट ऑफ क्राइसिस ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.